welcome back to another episode of Let Him Ask. Today, our guest is Sir Del of Team Ignite.
Hi guys.
Sir Del, my question for you is BGC a high-demand location when it comes to residential properties?
Yes, we have high demands for BGC properties, especially kahit ngayon na we're having this issue of oversupply. Ang rebuttals lang talaga namin in BGC, we have high demands here because we have lots of offices. We have JP Morgan, Citi, Globe, Google, Facebook, name it. Lahat nandito, lahat ng international offices, they're shifting from Makati to BGC. So, it matters kasi it's driving the demand for condos, for residential properties. So, mostly kasi ang oversupply is located in QC, in Ortigas, in Caloocan, in Manila, in MOA. So, if we're gonna compare the available units dun sa mga locations na yon and we're comparing it to BGC, mas konti dito sa BGC. And yung foot traffic kasi dito na nanggagaling dun sa mga offices is higher. So, higher din yung demand sa mga residential property. So, if you're considering a unit for personal use or for rentals, go with BGC kasi nandun yung mga tao.
Thank you so much for answering that, Sir Del. And for more frequently asked questions about real estate, follow for more.
Bye guys!